Speak your body was emphasis level equals strong not slash emphasis built. To sit all day break time equals 400 ms slash yet here most of us are, hour after hour, paying for it, by 5 o'clock, slash speak. Speak 8, 9, 10 hours hunched at a desk break time equals 400 ms slash and by the end, your hips feel tight, your back aches, and your posture curls into a question emphasis level equals strong mark slash emphasis. Slash speak. Speak. When you sit for hours your hip flexors, get emphasis level equals strong stuck slash emphasis, short, your glutes switch off, and your body slowly decides that slumped shape is normal break time equals 400 ms slash, that's the real problem. Slash speak. Speak, but you don't need an hour at the gym to fight back break time equals 400 ms slash you need about 2 emphasis level equals strong minute slash emphasis, and I'll show you exactly how. Slash speak. Speak, we're doing one simple move break time equals 400 ms slash the kneeling hip, flexor stretch, break time equals 400 ms slash, with a small twist that makes it emphasis level equals strong way slash emphasis more effective. Slash speak. Speak, before you lean in. Squeeze the glute on your emphasis level equals strong back slash emphasis leg and tuck your tailbone slightly under break time equals 400 ms slash. That tiny tuck is the secret that actually targets the tight hip instead of your lower back. Slash speak. Speak now shift gently forward until you feel a good, honest stretch across that front hip break time equals 400 ms slash then breathe here, sinking a little deeper with every long exhale emphasis level equals strong OUT slash emphasis. Slash speak. Speak raise the arm on your back leg side up and over to open, whole front line break time equals 400 ms slash then switch sides, and that's it. No equipment. No gym, just relieve your back while emphasis level equals strong thanks slash emphasis U4. Slash speak.